How to use natural language inside of titles in Etsy. So if you want to add in natural titles so that you get found inside of Etsy, the first thing that you'll need to do is you need to focus on writing short, clear as well as descriptive phrases instead of repeating them. So what I mean by that is you need to state the items that you're selling clearly inside of the titles inside of Etsy, such as you need to clearly mention mug or dress depending upon what you sell. So instead of repeating each word multiple times, you'll need to make sure that you add in the exact word only once so that it flows naturally. Also make sure that you put the important words or the main highlight of your product in front, so on the first 50 to 60 characters, because that is what people first see when a item is being viewed. Also, you need to try to avoid filler words which are mostly used, such as beautiful, perfect or wonderful, so that your item stands out and does not get mixed up with other items that are also being sold. So instead of using these filler words, you can just add in the exact item that you're trying to sell instead of trying to make it more attractive. So using this exact method, you can use natural language inside of titles inside of Etsy. So I do hope this guide video helped you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe. That's pretty much all for today. I'm gonna see you in the next video.